Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on the Valora application. So let's get started right away. Just open up the Valora application first and then log in using your biometrics or your PIN. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into your home page. Now in order to find your wallet address, all you need to do is tap on the receive button at your home page. When you tap on this, you will be shown your QR code that you can use to receive payments. You can use this QR code for people to scan from their Valora application to pay you, or you can also tap on the copy address button, as this will copy your wallet address that is shown underneath your QR code. Once you have copied your code, you can simply use this code to share with your friends, whoever wants to send you money. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Valora application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.